Whether you're feeling the chill of the season or going through a winter phase in life, this is for you. Winter. Quiet, cold, and often unforgiving. At first glance, it might seem like a season of stillness, but it holds a much deeper meaning. Think of it as a metaphor for the moments in life when everything feels frozen, progress seems elusive, and the path ahead is unclear. Yet winter isn't a punishment, it's a pause. It's the universe telling us to stop, reflect, and prepare. In this video, I want to talk about the winter arc in life, a time that can feel isolating but is actually filled with the potential for growth. In life, progress often follows a cyclical pattern, much like the seasons. Spring brings growth, summer provides abundance, and autumn shows us the beauty of change. But winter is the reset. It's the space we need to gather our thoughts, shed what no longer serves us, and prepare for what's next. It may not feel like it, but your winter arc is just as important as your summers of success or springs of fresh beginnings. During this period, life might feel like it's at a standstill. You could be dealing with challenges that test your patience, your resilience, and even your self-belief. You might feel stuck, like the world is moving forward while you're left behind. But here's the truth. Winter isn't about stagnation, it's about preparation. It's in the silence and stillness of this season that we lay the foundation for our future. Think about nature. Trees lose their leaves to conserve energy for spring. Animals hibernate, not out of laziness, but they understand the importance of rest and renewal. Why should we be any different? Winter teaches us to pause, reflect, and ask ourselves the hard questions. What's holding me back? What patterns or habits do I need to let go of? What is one thing that I need to change, that I can change, that I will change? It's in these moments of introspection that we gain clarity. Reflection is only part of the process. Winter is also a time for preparation. What seeds are you planting for your spring? Are you learning a new skill, revisiting your goals, or rebuilding your mindset? It's the small, consistent actions taken during this time that will bloom into something extraordinary. So why settle for ordinary? Hope is another crucial element of the winter arc. Even on the darkest, coldest days, the promise of spring is always there. It's this hope that fuels resilience. Every step you take during your winter, no matter how small, is progress. And when the ice melts, when the world begins to wake up, you'll see the results of your effort. You'll realize that winter wasn't a time of loss, it was a time of transformation. So, how do you embrace your winter arc? Accept that life has seasons and that winter is part of the process. Use this time wisely. Reflect on what's working and what's not. Prepare by taking small, meaningful actions. Hold on to hope. Believe that this chapter, however difficult, is shaping you into a stronger, wiser, and more resilient version of yourself. When you come out of your winter arc, you'll notice something incredible. You've grown. The challenges you've faced will seem smaller in hindsight, and the person you've become will be ready to take on the opportunities ahead. Winter isn't the end, it's the beginning of something extraordinary. Every great story has its winter arc, and your story begins now.